Are you seeking to bring the natural tranquility of the winter forest into your home? Imagine each room enveloped in the fragrant embrace of evergreen splendor, all with a simple, delightful creation. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I'm eager to guide you in crafting the Winter Woods Diffuser Blend. This aromatic treasure combines the freshness of winter woodland with the warmth that makes your space irresistibly cozy. Discover how to effortlessly mix the Winter Woods Diffuser Blend from our handy DIY diffuser recipe box. With every whiff, you'll experience the serene ambience of a forest retreat right at home, surrounded by nature's purest scents. As the holidays approach, the hunt for a natural yet impactful scent to enhance festive decorations becomes essential. Many rely on artificial products that fail to deliver nature's authentic warmth. Fortunately, finding a seamless blend of seasonal charm and simplicity has never been easier with DIY solutions that elevate your holiday spirit. Enter the Winter Woods Diffuser Blend. This delightful fusion of woody and resinous oils transforms your space into a winter wonderland with every drop offering an enchanting sensory escape. Set up your diffuser and let it delightfully capture the season's magic. This blend will become integral to your holiday decorating, filling your home with a comforting new sense of a winter forest landscape. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Winter Woods Wonderland blend from Simply Earth. For this recipe, you will need 11 drops vanilla woods essential oil, 33 drops pine essential oil, 33 drops whole wood essential oil, and 22 drops of frankincense essential oil, and a 5mm amber glass bottle. And from your home, you will need a diffuser. I have this stone diffuser here that I got from simplyearth.com. First, add essential oils to a 5ml bottle. Swirl the bottle to mix. Add 3 to 5 drops to your diffuser following your diffuser instructions. Here's a tip. Vanilla woods is a very thick oil that will sink to the bottom of the diffuser and could potentially clog the diffuser. We recommend making a master blend of this recipe before using it in your diffuser. To test the scent of this recipe before making a master blend, place 1 drop of vanilla woods, 3 drops of pine, 3 drops of whole wood, and 2 drops of frankincense essential oils onto a cotton ball. Don't forget to label it. To use, add 3 to 5 drops to your diffuser. The Winter Woods Diffuser Blend has become my favorite way to embrace the festive season. Its soothing tones of pine and resin, bringing the outdoors in, making each gathering an intimate, joyous occasion. Reminiscent of cherished winter nights. Bring the enchanting aroma of the winter forest into your own festive space. Order your DIY diffuser essential oil box from Simply Earth and blend your Winter Woods diffuser today. I'm thrilled to see your aromatic creations. Share these winter delights on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using #IMadeThis. Enter our #IMadeThis challenge and win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Thanks for watching.